Now, conclusion. This is the part where you make sense of your observations and turn those observations to learnings that you can apply on your next videos.
This is your channel.
So, for this video, we will talk about how you craft videos that your viewers would share. To make it not obvious that this is the same day of filming, I brought my jacket and change costume. Oof. Whoa! Now, the keyword here is feeling. I got a feeling. At the beginning, it's like there was a barrier. I wasn't used to being in front of the camera. I thought that as long as I give information, then people would subscribe to my channel. But I was wrong. It's also important you feel when you're in front of the camera. You have to know how do you feel when you do your videos. Okay. Next, we have to know why do people subscribe. Really, there's no point. Those people who do sub to sub, they don't contribute to your growth. Yes, they subscribe. Yes, that's another person who subscribe to you. It's not really the growth. If we want to grow our channel organically, then it would also depend on the quality of the subscribers that you have. Please make sure that people know why they subscribe to your channel. Next, there are 3 things that makes a viewer subscribe. First, they got a lot of value and they want to see more. Next, the overall experience in watching the video was really nice. How does the viewer feel when watching your videos? I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling. The subscribe button was not meant to be red. It should turn gray. Just try clicking it. If it turns gray, just leave it like that. Do your videos make you laugh? Do your videos have connection? Look into the lens and then be genuine on what you are saying, and also be entertaining as well. Viewers subscribe to channels that are relatable, like a friend, that they would rather listen to you than those other YouTubers. So, value proposition, character, and relatability. Those are the 3 things that we should consider to make a random viewer subscribe to your channel. Shout out to the comment winner. Mag-comment ka sa video na to para ikaw yung winner sa next episode. What makes a video shareable? First, it should be relatable. It should connect to your viewers. Have you experienced scrolling through Facebook and then you saw a meme that was funny? What do you do when you see that? Then you think of a person that you want to share that meme with because you were able to connect with the message. The next thing that makes a video shareable is they got a lot of value from it, more than what they have expected. I just really needed to share that video to a friend to help him also. Lastly, it would be a conversation starter because you want to go deeper on that video with your friend. It's time for your videos to have these 3 elements. First, relatability. Next, maximum value. And then lastly, conversation starter. And that is how you make your subscribers share your videos. That's it! For those of you who haven't seen the first video, as promised, I linked it here. Please click on the video you're seeing right now. Again, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.